Welcome to Level Up Lawyer, where we help law practices transform their marketing and management strategies for optimal success. Today, we're diving into a critical topic that many legal professionals grapple with, the delegation dilemma. Specifically, why it can be so hard to confidently hand off tasks, and more importantly, how to fix it. In our profession, the stakes are high, and the pressure to manage everything yourself can feel overwhelming. However, trying to handle every task alone isn't just unsustainable, it's counterproductive. One of the primary reasons delegation fails or never even begins is the fear of losing control. Many lawyers worry that if they delegate, the work won't meet their standards, which is totally understandable, given immense responsibility lawyers bear for their clients' outcomes. But what if there were a way to ensure consistent quality without micromanaging every detail? That's where standard operating procedures, or SOPs, come in. SOPs are the backbone of effective delegation. They are detailed guides that lay out how tasks should be performed, broken down into step-by-step instructions. This clarity allows anyone on your team to follow along and get the job done right every time. Let's explore how to implement SOPs in your practice. First, identify repetitive tasks that are routine but crucial to operations, such as client intake, administrative paperwork, or document preparation. These are perfect candidates for delegation through SOPs. Next, document every step involved in these processes. Be as detailed as possible, thinking of it as crafting a recipe. Clear instructions are key to maintaining quality. Involve team members who perform these tasks regularly. Their insights can ensure you've covered all elements. But SOPs aren't just static documents. They should evolve with your firm. As your practice grows and technology changes, so should your SOPs. Regularly reviewing and updating them ensures they remain relevant and effective. The benefits are significant. Efficient delegation through SOPs means more time for high-level tasks that need your expertise. It means reduced stress, and it means an empowered team that feels trusted and utilized to their full potential. Ready to learn more about streamlining your practice and reclaiming your time? Check out our Automation Blueprint Challenge at www.levelupLawyer.com/challenge. Or if you're considering personalized support, schedule a no-obligation consultation for hands-on assistance at levelupLawyer.com/consultation. Empower your firm with the right tools and strategies. Happy delegating! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more valuable content.